all you all. I hope all of you are fine. Okay, let's start the topic. We will continue the chapter Natural Disaster, chapter number 14. And yesterday we covered the topics earthquakes, volcanoes. Okay, now today we will continue tidal waves. We will take topics tidal waves and drought. What are tidal waves? Tidal waves are storms or tsunami. Tidal waves, another word of tidal wave is storms or tsunamis. It is caused by an undersea earthquake, by severe hurricanes, or by the cyclones. Okay. Tidal waves recorded up to 15 meter high. 8 tidal waves recorded up to 15 meter high. They cause severe damage. It affects and destruction of life and property. It affects and destructs the life and property. Okay. Now note down the most important point of this. On 26 January 2004, earthquake measures 9 degree on Richter scale, and it created the Great Tsunami in South Asia. And in that tsunami, 150,000 people died across 11 countries. Across 11 countries. Okay. Now all of you open your books. All of you. See your book now. Open page number 129. Tidal waves. Now let's read the topic. Tidal or storms waves are also known as tsunami. Underline that. A tsunami is caused by an undersea earthquake or by a severe hurricane of cyclone. Storm waves from the sea come rolling towards the shore. They cause destruction on the seashore within seconds. Tidal waves as high as 15 meters have been recorded. If there is already a high tide, then tsunami waves hit the land. They can cause severe damage. These giant waves travel at a speed of 800 kilometers per hour. It can travel at a speed 800 kilometers per hour. Okay. This results in destruction of life and property in the area. Underline that part. The giant waves travel at a speed of 800 km per hour. On 26 December 2004, an earthquake measures scale hit off the coast of Indonesia. It triggered a massive tsunami that resulted in widespread death and destruction across South Asia. Underline that. There were over 150,000 dead across 11 countries, with Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India and Thailand being among the hardest hit. Over 5 million people became homeless because of this earthquake and tsunami. Now see the oral questions that is given on the page number 129. Choose the correct answer. The crust or the upper layer of the earth is made of plates, stones and volcanoes. What is the right answer? Take right on the plates. Based on the nature of eruption, volcanoes, tsunami can be active, dormant or extinct. Second question, take right on the volcanoes. Now come on to the third question. The magnitude of tsunami, tidal wave, earthquake is measured on Richter's scale. What is the right answer? Take right on the earthquake. Question number 4. The liquid that comes out of a volcano is called lava, magma and core. What is the right answer? Take right on the lava. Okay, now turn your page. Now come on to the next topic, drought. What is drought? If a particular area receives no rain or less rain than normal for a long period, it is said to be the affected area because of the drought. It means there is no water. Where there is a drought, there is a less water, there is a severe water. Water is very there is no water at that place. However, it is not only the lack of rainfall that causes drought. Hot, dry winds, very high speed, very high temperature and evaporation of moisture from the ground can result in conditions of drought. Now see the drought affected areas. People have to wait for help to come in the form of food, water and medicine from neighbor places or international agencies. Where there is a drought, there is a lacking of water, food and medicines. Okay, that's why at that places government supply the water and the medicines for the people whoever in the drought affected areas. India has faced 3 major droughts. Underline that. India has faced 3 major droughts in the 20th century. In 1904 to 5, 1965 to 66, one drought was on 1904 to 1905, and second 1965 to 1966, and third one is 1986 to 1987. In 1987, drought was known as the drought of the century and had a major impact on 1/3 of the country. So, students, drought is very harmful, and tsunamis, these all are very harmful. These all are the natural disaster. Now, our chapter complete. We have covered the topics earthquake, volcanoes, tidal waves and drought. What we have to do, you have to read this chapter very carefully and underline the important points, find out the important points, whatever is given in this topic, in this chapter, and you have to write that points in your notebook. At least 5 to 6 points you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and start learning the important points. Now come on to the letter say it again. That is given in your book. Come on to the first point. Natural disaster make life miserable for those affected. Earthquake cause loss of life and property. Seismologists use seismograph to measure earthquake. Take right on these points. These are most important points. Earthquakes on the Richter's scale. Volcano occur when lava from deep within the earth rushes out through weak spots in the crust. Volcano can be active, dormant and extinct. Volcano is of 3 types. Tidal waves are, what are tidal waves? Tidal waves are rolling waves which rush towards the seashore, and these are also called tsunamis. Drought is caused by the dry condition. In drought affected areas, people often face famine. Okay, these are the most important point of the topics of this chapter. Now let's start the exercise of this chapter. Let us answer. Answer exercise number 1. Take write the correct answer. First one is structures shatter, building shakes, roads crack and communication fails during A is spring, B is winter, C is earthquakes and D is summer. What is the answer? Find out. Start searching. C1 is earthquakes. Now question number 2. Those who study earthquakes are called, take right on the B part, seismologist. Answer number 2, B part, seismologist. Question number 3, the drought of the century in the history of India was in, what is the answer? Answer number 1, 1904 to 1905. Take right on the A part. And come on to the 4th one. Dash is a famous volcano. Which one is a famous volcano? Mt. Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius. Take right on the A part. Mount Vesuvius. Now come on to the exercise B. Write true or false for the answers. Answer number 1. Question number 1. The layer of the earth under the plates are stationary. No, it's not stationary. It can slide on each other. So take the exercise B. Write true or false. Answer question number 1. The layer of the earth under the plate are stationary. No, it's not stationary. It can slide on each other. Write down false for this. Question number 2. A seismograph consists of a frame, a spring, a stone, a drum, a paper and a pen. Yes, it's true. Write down true. When magma is below the earth's surface, it is called lava. No, write down false. 4. Come on to the 4. Tidal or storm waves are also called tsunamis. Yes, it's true. Write down true. Question number 5. Drought is caused by moisture in the air. No, there is no moisture where there is a drought. Write down false. Okay, now we have covered the exercise A and exercise B. We have these exercises are done. We have done these exercises. Okay, all of you complete these exercises in your book and start learning. Now, yes students, what is your homework? What is your homework? Read the topics that is given on the page number 129 and 130. Okay, you have to read this chapter very carefully and that topics also you have to read very carefully. Okay students, that's all for the day. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you.